finally made it back home safely without any incidents. Here's the car. We're about to pull it out. Just come here. Look how dirty this thing is. Super filthy. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time, like 2 months. We're finally gonna wash it, clean up the interior, and I'm happy to get started, so let's go. So really quickly, just wanted to show you, and actually from memory myself, just to see how dirty this thing was and filthy inside. Come on, check it out. So bam, look at those carpets. That's nasty. Those seats, that steering wheel, that dash panel has like an inch of dust.
That's filthy.
That's really filthy. Look at this, coolant. What is all this? Paperwork. Don't get my personal info. But other than that, if you look at it harder, like sideways and like a mile away, you kind of could tell that it actually looks in decent shape. We just got to clean it up. So that's what we're gonna do.
Stay tuned.
What is up, you guys? Fast forward about maybe 3 months or so. Still got that BMW. We're gonna continue that video. We're gonna leave off wherever we left off, I guess. Probably washing the car or something basic. But I've been driving this car for the meantime, but at the same time being a little lazy or doing other things. I got plenty of stuff to do since I got married, but enough talking, we're gonna get to work. So here's the E36 M3, and as you can see, that side skirt needs to go on. So let's install it. The side skirt is in the car, and there's a bunch of stuff actually in there taking up room. So let's slowly get the parts out, slowly start putting this car fully back 100% together. All right, so maybe let's do a quick little walk around for those that stay tuned. You guys seen that I repainted the hood, fender, bumper, nose panel, and replaced the grills, headlights, corner lights, all the good stuff. This rocker panel down here, the side skirt, actually got replaced and repainted. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And let me just, I guess, give a quick little walk around. Those dents right here, that happened in the meantime while this car was getting fixed and put together. We're gonna have to get them PDR'd out. Just do a little overview, I guess. Here's the car, has 114,000 miles. This seat is a little worn, not too bad. Overall, this car, I mean, I've been driving it for a while. I could tell it was in decent condition. People were taking care of it. There's a little backstory about it. We're gonna give it to you a little bit later. But yeah, as you could see, look, got too much stuff. The front lip on the bumper, the rocker panel, just stuff just laying around, screwdriver. Gotta get it cleaned up, you know. Don't want this car to be too ghetto because it needs some love. So a bunch of stuff here, ECS tuning. Actually, what happened was, let's get into that real quick and I'll show you. So bam, here's that engine. Check it out, it's gonna be right on top. Boom! So luckily for me, the fan blades cracked, flew off, 2 right here. But the radiator did not get damaged. So I've been driving like this, believe it or not, for about a month now. And I got another fan I'll show you. Has a ring around the fan blade, so hopefully it's a little more sturdy. And yeah, let's get to this rocker panel because that's the main goal we gotta do and fix today. All right, so here's the rocker panel. Finally got it out from the vehicle, and we're gonna mate it onto the car. But before doing that, just wanted to tell you a little something, what I ran across. So if you do have an E36, maybe this will help you out. But there's supposed to be a weather strip going along the surface of the opposite side. So this part got repainted and I removed that seal, so I needed a new one. Hit up the dealership, they're marking it up super high. It was about 80 to 90 bucks, I don't remember, and that was just for one side. So no way I was gonna do that. Immediately went on the forums and found a couple dudes doing this. Here's a spot where I got mine from, the weather strip, clinched flares. I'll drop the link in the description below. But pretty much some guys tried a couple different things and this was the best solution. So I'm gonna try it too, do a little video. Once it's done, you guys will see if it's worth it, and I'll see for myself as well. So let's get going. All right, you guys, it's a little chilly. It's like 50 degrees. You need to get in the house, drink some tea. I'm just playing. I ain't cold, bro. I'll take this off right now. But anyways, rocker panel is on. Finally, it's been like 3 months. It was not on. Each time I'm going up to the driver's side, it's missing. I see those little green holes on the car where the clips are supposed to mount on. But finally, it's installed. Check it out. And there's the rocker panel finally on. And look at this crispy new weather strip. Ah, that's nice. Let's compare it to the other one. This one's actually not too bad as well. I don't know if you'll see it, but it's not cracked. It's all intact everywhere and sitting nice. So can't complain. But this side is a lot newer. Would I recommend this to you guys? Heck to the yeah, because check this out. Just looks amazing.
Dos, what are you doing? Don't do that! Whoop, whoop, whoop! Ashley, you better hear something! Oh, damn! Could I hear this? What's up behind you?
wish I could actually be working on this car a little more, but whatever. All that is behind us. That's all I could do for this weekend. But anyways, it's on. I could come up to the door, open it, see it, feel a lot better, and just have a nice start to the day tomorrow. So stick around. We're moving along because there's lots of problems we still got to fix with this thing. See ya.